Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to delete keyframe. So as example, I will insert cube and you can use the move tools. So the first you can press S buttons to insert the keyframe from the 1 and then I will move into 15. Okay, you can move the object and insert again keyframe by pressing S button. Move into 30 and I will move to the top. Press S button to insert key. So you can see we have this simple animation. And if you want to delete the keyframes like in these points 15, you can right click and then you can choose the delete button. So it will be delete the selected keyframe. I will create again like in 10 point. So we'll move the object a bit to the bottom here and you can insert the keyframe. Now we have this animation, and to delete again you can go to the keyframe, right click and then choose the delete button. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to delete keyframe.